needy. Lacking basic needs or needing help or attention. The charity helps needy families. She supports needy children in the community. Lethargic. Feeling very tired, slow, or lacking energy. I felt lethargic after the long trip. He looked lethargic at work today. Dim-witted. Not very intelligent, slow to understand. Don't judge someone as dim-witted too quickly. The role required him to play a dim-witted man. Prosperous. Successful and wealthy, doing well financially. Hard work made the family prosperous. She runs a prosperous business. Searing. Extremely hot or intensely strong. We walked under the searing sun. The searing wind dried the land. Blaring. Very loud and harsh. He turned off the blaring TV. The blaring alarm woke everyone up. Alluring. Attractive or tempting. The beach looked alluring at sunset. The perfume has an alluring scent. Sturdy. Strong and well-built. The bridge is sturdy and safe. The box is sturdy enough to carry books. Polluted. Dirty and unsafe because of bad chemicals or waste. Polluted air causes health problems. The city is polluted by factories. Horrible. Very bad or unpleasant. The accident was horrible to watch. She had a horrible day at work.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!